Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be covering examples about summarization or aggregation. Let's get started by going through the first question, which is asking how many movies are there. Clearly, we need the count keyword here. I'm going to click on my markdown cell, press escape and type B in my keyboard to insert a new code cell. I have a query shell here where I've typed the select clause. Then I have the from clause along with the table name as movies, and I also have the where clause here. To be able to answer this question, we don't need the where clause because we are not going to filter out rows. Whenever you perform aggregation, you'll have to mention that as part of the select clause by typing the keyword as count here. After that, we are going to specify a pair of parentheses. Within those parentheses, you'll have to specify the column name based on which you want to perform the aggregation. For this particular question, the column name does not matter. That is because the structure of SQL enforces that every row should contain a value for every column. You could use any column name here, or I could just type star, which indicates all of the columns. My query is going to be select space count of star from movies table. Observe that we are getting 998 movies. Let's move on to the next question, which is asking how many directors are there. Once again, I don't need the where clause. I'll have to use the count keyword, and I need to specify the column name as director. Observe that we are getting 998 as the output for this query also. Does that mean that every row was short by a unique director? Not really. That's because the count aggregation does not take into account distinct or unique values for the mentioned column. Let me show you how you can specify that you need distinct values. You'll have to type count open parenthesis close parenthesis. Within the parenthesis, you're going to type the keyword distinct, followed by which you'll specify the column name, which is going to be director here. Let me get rid of the where clause. That's going to retrieve the count as 643, and we have 643 unique directors as part of the movies table. Let's move on to the next question, which is asking what is the total revenue of all the movies. Once again, I don't need the where clause. I need the sum keyword here. What do I want to sum up? I need to sum up the revenue column. Recall that I mentioned the original entries have a revenue column values in millions. So this particular summed up value is in the order of billions. Let's look at the next question, which is asking what is the average rating across all movies. I'm going to go through two different versions of solutions for this question. Version number one is going to use the sum aggregation and the count aggregation. Let me get rid of the where clause here. I'm going to say give me the sum of the rating column and divide that by count of all the columns. It does not matter if I specify rating here or star here. Both of those are going to be the exact same. Let me execute this particular query. Observe that we are getting average rating of the movies as 6.72. Let's go through version number 2, which is going to use the AVG summarization keyword. So I'm going to say select AVG of rating, and let me get rid of the where clause over here. If we execute this query, we better get the same average rating. Looks like we are getting the same value. Let me skip the next question. I'm going to cover the next one instead, which is going to be what is the average runtime for a James Gunn movie? The parts of interest are highlighted using the italics red font. Clearly, we need to write a where clause here because we are specifically interested in the movies directed by James Gunn. So my where clause boolean expression is going to be where director equal to some value. The value is going to be James space Gunn. Observe that I have to add a double quotations around the name of the director, which is James Gunn over here. What are we interested in selecting? That's going to be average runtime. So I'm going to type AVG keyword, and specify the column name as runtime by saying select space AVG of runtime from movies where director equal to the James Gunn. Looks like James Gunn movies have an average runtime of 104 minutes. I'm going to skip over the next question because it's very similar. Let's solve how many movies were there in 2016. Once again, we need the where clause. The Boolean expression is going to be where year equal to 2016. What do we want to select? We simply want to count up all of the rows. So I'm going to say count of star here. We have 296 movies in the year 2016. Let's move on to the next question, which is asking what percentage of total revenue came from the highest revenue movie. There are multiple aspects of this question. Let me focus on the percentage calculation part over here. I need to calculate the percentage of the revenue based on the total revenue. I'm going to do that by computing max of revenue, and I'll have to divide that by sum of revenue in order to compute the percentage of total revenue for the highest revenue movie. We have already taken care of the highest by using the max aggregate over here. Let me multiply this value by 100 so that we can actually generate a percentage. And I'm going to use the as keyword and rename the column that we just computed into percentage. Let me get rid of the where clause here. Let's execute the query. Observe that the percentage contribution by the highest revenue movie is 1.29%. Let's solve the next question, which is sort of combining the previous question with the current question that we just solved. It is asking what percentage of revenue came from the highest revenue movie. I'm going to copy the query from the previous question solution. Clearly, we need a where clause here. I'll have to specify the where clause as year equal to 2016. Let me execute this particular query. Observe that we are getting the percentage is 4.74 for the highest revenue movie in 2016. Why is this percentage higher than the previous percentage? That's because we are considering only the revenue which came out of the movies in 2016. So among those, the highest revenue movie has contributed to 4.74% of the revenue. I'm going to wrap up this video here. In the next video, we are going to start learning about group by clause.